Future simple tense in academic writing, crafting focused future arguments. Academic writing requires precision and clarity in communicating complex ideas and arguments. The future simple tense is a valuable tool in projecting future actions or possibilities in a clear and focused manner. By using this tense, writers can convey predictions, intentions, or certainties about future events. In this tutorial, we will explore how to effectively use the future simple tense in academic writing, providing numerous illustrative examples to help ESL students understand its proper application. One common use of the future simple tense is to make predictions about the future based on current evidence or trends. For example, in a research paper discussing the impact of climate change on the Arctic region, a writer might state, "By the year 2050, the Arctic ice cap will have significantly melted, leading to widespread environmental changes." Here, the future simple tense is used to project a future outcome based on existing scientific data. Another way to use the future simple tense in academic writing is to express intentions or plans for future research. For instance, a student writing a thesis proposal might say, "In the next phase of this study, I will conduct a series of experiments to test the hypothesis." In this case, the future simple tense is used to outline the writer's upcoming research goals and objectives. Additionally, the future simple tense can be used to make assertions or declarations about future events that are considered certain. For instance, in a history tutorial about the American Revolution, a writer might assert, "The Declaration of Independence will forever be remembered as a pivotal moment in American history." Here, the future simple tense is employed to emphasize the lasting impact of a historical event. In academic writing, it is important to use the future simple tense judiciously and purposefully. By using this tense, writers can project a sense of confidence and authority in their arguments about the future. However, it is also important to support these claims with strong evidence and reasoning to ensure credibility and persuasiveness. In conclusion, the future simple tense is a valuable tool for crafting focused future arguments in academic writing. By using this tense effectively, writers can make predictions, express intentions, and assert certainties about future events with clarity and precision. ESL students can enhance their writing skills by practicing the use of the future simple tense in a variety of contexts, as demonstrated in the examples provided in this tutorial.